Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Vietnam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang, Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Vietnam. That's where you going all around Danang, checking out Danang.
Okay, I know people kind of like to see the hotels, so this is Cocorico. I'll have it down below so you can see exactly the spelling. I'll show you the view. I'm on the end, so I'm actually able to see the ocean right down there. So you got this building in the way, and then this is kind of where you come in at, and you can also get some of these balcony ones. So those are available as well, balcony ones. So I guess there's a balcony below me and above me of somebody else. But mine doesn't have a balcony, and I probably could have paid the extra couple dollars and get a balcony, but I didn't do that. Anyways, what I'm going to do in this one is I'm going to show you the hotel room, and then we're going to walk around the building and go down towards the beach and just kind of give you an idea what's in here for somebody else who might be interested in the Cocorico hotel. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam. And we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. Okay, so let me see. So it's kind of, basic. You got your chairs, you got your beds. I got a double bed, so I just use one to throw stuff on. Bathroom, clean, hot water, stuff like that, no problem. And I guess they don't really have the name, so the name is confusing. Okay, so that's my room. This is a stairwell. I can see the ocean a little bit better from the stairwell, so I'm kind of lucky to be right on the corner. I can actually hear the ocean waves here. That's our main street. We're gonna walk around the block. And the lobby is on the 7th floor. There's no clear sign about the name of the hotel, so you wouldn't really know. It's kind of an echoey building. So yeah, trying to find it is a bit of a challenge. I'll talk about that too. There's another room. Okay, I guess if you're in these ones and you have these balconies, you might be able to see the ocean as well. Looks like you can. I guess I'm lucky that I can see it a little bit. Maybe this one could not, but these ones with the balcony could. That one on the corner probably can. I think they had a price range too, so you might pay a little bit more and you'd have a slightly better view. Okay, let's go down. So the lobby is on the 7th floor. That is a coffee shop, which I could actually go through and go to the main street. And so yeah, it's a little bit hard to find it. So the hotel, if you use the Grab taxi and stuff like that, it'll say the name Cocorico, I believe, but then there's no evidence of it by a sign or anything on the wall. That right there would be directly to there, to the beach. I think when you go to the 7th floor, the lobby is on the 7th floor, and I believe those are the better ones, right? You got the balconies, and then mine does not. So mine would be, I think it's on the corner there. So yeah, I don't know why they don't just have the name Cocorico on the hotel somewhere. Instead they call it Danang. And then I could go behind me and there's a way to go to the beach directly, but instead what I'm going to do is come over here because there's more businesses and such like that, and then we'll show you around the hotel so you can get an idea. I feel like a lot of times it's the location and what's around a hotel which is just as important as the hotel itself. So let's this seems like it's always open. I came in last night and it was open, and I think there's the name right there. So there's the name. So so you can come here and then just go directly there, and I think there's no other name anywhere for that. So it's just that little corner right there. So yep, you go right in there, and then you go, and then I think all of that is also part of Cocorico as well. So those are the same styles. We're gonna have a balcony that faces the city, and I think that's an option. It's like city view, and I think actually maybe city view might be more interesting. Like I can barely see the ocean, and you're so close to the ocean anyways, you can just walk out and just kind of see. So we're gonna come around to this 4 corners. So I could have went through this coffee shop, bread and butter place. So that actually also goes right to the elevators. I walk through the business itself. And I think one of the reasons I chose this hotel is because, for one, you have that coffee shop. 2, you have the ocean right there. And then you also just have a lot of places around here. There's like another coffee shop, souvenir shop, seafood. Okay. So that's part of our hotel right there. So I guess you also have rooms that are on the outside too. Okay, so we're gonna walk right by another YouTuber, vlogger. Cups of coffee. So yeah, basically if you're at this hotel, you have a lot of coffee shops. You have at least like quite a few actually. There's like 3 or 4 right on that corner alone. And it looks like we got gelato as ice cream, tea, tteokbokki is Korean food, O is tea. Let's get by this before the, gotta make sure, let me just turn that off. Okay, music will affect the video. I have to be careful. Okay, so we kind of got past that. And the beach is directly down the way. Here's yet another shop, Ocean Pot, pizza. Okay, this is take you right. These are our 4 corners, or yeah, 2 corners. More places to sit outside, so you do have all of these. So I think like overall, if someone doesn't really want to walk around much, it's probably a pretty good location. Plus you have a stop walk, so you can actually walk across without trying to dodge traffic. A lot of it doesn't have a crosswalk, but this one does. And we'll get right to the ocean. Huh. Here's one just for motorcycles, just to, okay. And here's our ocean. We're gonna take a look at the hotel in a second, so we're gonna do that in a moment. Okay, let's take a look at the hotel. So So there's Cocorico right there, and I guess my hotel would have been like right in the middle of all of that. So the entrance would be like there's a big giant empty parking lot in that space. Okay. And on that note, I guess you can kind of see the beach, what it looks like here. Okay, so that's Cocorico right there.